Pegboard wall storage turns cramped corners into organized vertical workspaces that save floor space and keep tools and supplies visible and accessible. Start by choosing the right pegboard material for your needs. For light kitchen utensils or craft supplies, a painted wooden pegboard offers a balance of affordability and aesthetics. Seal the wood with a primer and 2 coats of paint to resist moisture and staining. For heavier tools, consider metal pegboard, which supports more weight and does not sag. Anchor metal panels to wall studs using load-rated fasteners, and use sleeves or spacers so hooks sit straight. Slatwall panels are another option when you want modularity with deep hooks and shelves that slide into grooves. Install a horizontal ledger to ensure a flat mounting surface if wall studs are irregular. Plan a custom-mapped peg configuration by laying out commonly used items on the floor and photographing that layout so you can reproduce it on the wall. Group like items together and place the most used items at eye level and within a comfortable reach zone. Combine pegboard with shelving modules by alternating peg sections with shallow shelves to hold bins or jars that do not hang well. Use labeled baskets and tiered organizers on shelves to keep small items from spilling. Regularly audit and adjust your layout every few months to accommodate new tools and to avoid clutter creep. People often overload peg hooks with items that are too heavy, which causes hooks to bend or pull out, so move heavy items to metal pegboard or install a dedicated shelf and secure heavy tools to studs. Another common issue is poor spacing, which makes the wall look messy and items hard to access, so map your layout by function and leave 2 to 3 inches of breathing room around grouped items to allow easy retrieval. A third problem is inconsistent mounting that leaves panels wobbling or misaligned, so always use a level and fasten into studs or use a continuous horizontal cleat behind panels to distribute load and keep everything flush. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and explore ideas for pegboard wall storage through photos and user discussions. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips, layouts, and product experiences.